Welcome to a channel where you are not only going to learn how to speak in Xitsonga, but you are also going to learn how to read and write the language. Today, we are going to learn how to ask questions in Xitsonga to get information about someone or something using who, what, where, when, and which. Starting with who, we mostly use money. For examples, Iwena mani, who are you? Imani loyi, who is this? What, we mostly use mani, yini, muni. Examples, Imani vito ra wena, what is your name? U endla yini, what are you doing? Inkarhi muni, what time is it? Where, we mostly use kwihi, sometimes pronounced kwini, depending on the dialect. For examples, uma kwihi, where are you from? Uya kwihi, where are you going? When, we mostly use rini. For examples, utata rini, when are you coming? Utavuya rini, when are you coming back? Ndzi ta ku vona rini, when can I see you? Which, we mostly use ri, ti, yi, and other words. For examples, utshama tlhelo rihi, which side do you live? U rhandza tinsimu tihi, which songs do you like? U nghena kereke yihi, which church do you attend? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.